Everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. Until the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. The link is down below to the Discord if that's something that interests you, and you're more than welcome to join us. We look forward to having you join us. And by joining, you will gain access to all the opportunities that await you. It's down below in the description, and we'll see you there. So, SENS, Sensonics Holdings Inc., SENS Stock, has actually broken through $2 again. So we're seeing this fight, but it's in a tug-of-war zone, right? It's really close, and we have some things to look at. Now, it's built some momentum from the lows here of 187, and it's gone all the way up to a high here of 207, and we got some things to go ahead and break down. But as long as this stays above $2, consolidates and builds up momentum towards the next catalyst, this could be up for a run. So the 50-day moving average is 195. Anything above it is bullish. Anything below it is bearish. Now, as we stated up here, 207, that is the most important resistance level for the bulls based off of today's price action. But there's another resistance level we want to watch, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment. Now, our support level here before getting to the 50-day moving average is 197. If that gets broken through, I'd watch very carefully how it reacts between 197, 195 to see if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Now, what resistance level do we want to watch if 207 gets broken through? Well, it's slightly above it at 208 and all the way up here at 213. Those are the two next levels to watch if this momentum wants to continue and pull further away from the 50-day moving average for the bulls to maintain leverage and control over the chart. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. And let's go ahead and jump into these ticker symbols that we mentioned this morning, as well as the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list. So the ticker symbol I have for you guys today is one that I've mentioned before on the Patreon, as well as here on the YouTube channel towards the second half of the videos. And we're going to look at the chart together in just a moment to see how the opportunity is presenting itself. But it's definitely one you want to have on your watch list if you don't have it already. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if it's something that interests you, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. Now, by joining, you'll gain access to all the opportunities that await you. So we talked about TELL, LAIX, SOS, and DOGZ. Now, DOGZ gave us 10% right off the bell. It jumped up pretty fast, and then it started to fall, picked up some steam again, giving a second opportunity of 5 to 10%, but this was very volatile and moving really fast. SOS collapsed, and I'm not a big fan of hype stocks, but I wanted to watch it with caution because it was the highest one with volume that morning. It collapsed and it bounced back, but it didn't give much. It was about between 5 to 8% so far. Now, LAIX and TELL were our home runs of the day. We caught TELL at $4 and LAIX at $174. Now, where I see these stocks or start watching them or where they're currently sitting has nothing to do with where to enter or exit. It's just when I started watching it, but it is an indicator to watch and see where it's going. Now, LAIX, we caught it at 174 in the pre-market. It fell down a little bit, hitting lows here of 175, 176, and it hit a high here of 224 within just minutes, guys, giving us 20% plus opportunity in just minutes of the day. Just 30 minutes, that's all it took. This had very low volume. We caught it at 500,000 in volume, and for the day so far, it has 14 million in volume, guys. And the average volume is 1 million. So that tells you everything, guys. This was phenomenal. It's all about execution and timing. Now, the second one was TELL, right? TELL. We caught it at $4. And this is a stock that actually took a little bit of a different approach. You couldn't just jump into it that fast like we saw LAIX do. Now, this is a stock that collapsed after $4. And it hit lows here of 358 and then hit a high here of 413. So that gave us a 15 to 20% opportunity, and I stated it. I will watch for inflow to continue going up, or if weakness is presented in the charts. And weakness did present itself. This is where patience, dedication, discipline comes into play, and execution and timing is everything. So we had two great ones today, 2 home runs. And if this is something that interests you, like I stated, the link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. But what's the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list now? Well, it is PaySafe. Okay, I don't know if you guys have heard of it before, but PaySafe is in a position where it's been falling, certainly today and for the last several days, right? We've seen this one pulling downwards after hitting a high here of 1269. It's just been falling, and the most recent low was 1009. So the closer this gets to $10, the more interesting. And in this weakness, I'd be watching it going towards the end of this week, maybe even going towards the beginning of next week to see what's going on. But this stock is definitely an opportunity in the long run if you do your research, you do your due diligence, and understand what sector it is in. And by knowing this information, you will be better equipped to understand and make a rational decision yourself. This is not financial advice. I'm just here to share with you guys and enlighten you guys opportunities that are presenting themselves in the market. And this is definitely a stock that you definitely want to do more research on and due diligence to understand moving forward how big of an opportunity this is and where it sits. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.